Friends, think for a second. You are sitting in your room, scrolling your phone, and suddenly you see a video. Come to Europe, get job, easy visa, no IELTS, no degree, no problem. Sounds amazing, right? But here is the truth. Thousands of people try this every year. They apply, spend money, hire agents, give huge money to agents, wait months, and then rejected. No job, no visa, money gone. Why does this happen? Because nobody tells you the real process. Mostly people spread fake news on social media about Europe work visa. Reality, Europe is not easy, but it is also not impossible. If you understand the real system, you can succeed. So I thought to make a special video on this topic for my viewers, so their queries regarding Europe work visa will be clear. In this video, I will show you latest Europe Work Permit Rules 2026, real requirements, no fake info, IELTS truth, very important, documents you need, websites for visa sponsorship jobs, biggest mistakes to avoid, processing time, who is eligible. Watch till the end, because one small mistake can destroy your whole future. What is Europe Work Permit? First, understand this clearly. Europe is not one country. It has many countries, like Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Poland, and more countries. Each country has its own rules. But one thing is the same. If you are not from Europe, you need a work permit, work visa. Without this, you cannot legally work. Latest update, Europe Work Permit 2026. First, share good news with you. In 2026, Europe is opening more jobs for foreigners. Why? Population is getting older. Workers are less. Companies need employees. So many countries are increasing job visas, making process easier, hiring from outside Europe, especially in Germany, Poland, Hungary, Netherlands, because of labor shortage. Types of work permits in Europe. There are different types. 1. Short-term work visa, up to 90 days, for temporary jobs. 2. Long-term work visa, more than 90 days. Most people apply this. 3. EU Blue Card, for highly skilled workers, high salary required. 4. Seasonal work visa, farming, hotels, tourism. These are official categories. What's the main requirement? This is the biggest truth. You need a job offer. Without job, no work permit. Most European visas are based on job contract, employer sponsorship, your skills, not on random application. Required documents. You must prepare these: passport, valid, job offer letter, educational certificates, work experience proof, CV, professional in European CV format, medical certificate, police clearance certificate, health insurance, health insurance. If documents are missing, rejection possible. If you like this video, then like it please. Now discuss biggest myth about Europe work visa, where people mostly confuse and want to know about this. That's the IELTS requirement. Listen carefully. IELTS is not mandatory for most Europe work permits. Yes, you heard right. Europe does not have one rule for IELTS. Many countries, Germany, Poland, Hungary,
do not require IELTS officially. But important point, some employers may ask. English jobs may require it. Healthcare may need language test. So it's better to prepare for IELTS exam to secure Europe work visa.
So, truth is, IELTS is optional, but language skill is important. Best websites for job plus sponsorship. These are real websites. Use them. 1. EURES, European Job Portal. 2. LinkedIn. 3. Indeed Europe. 4. Glassdoor. 5. Company official websites. Tip: always apply directly on company website. Avoid agents asking big money. You can do all by your own self too. Just have confidence on you and have patience. Biggest mistakes to avoid. This part can save your life and lots of money. Mistake 1. Applying without job. No job equals no visa. Mistake 2. Fake documents. Instant rejection plus ban. Mistake 3. Believing no requirement agents. Europe is not free entry. Mistake 4. Weak CV. Your CV decides your future. For Europe work visa, your CV and cover letter should be in European format. Mistake 5. Not checking official websites. Always verify information. Processing time. Processing time for Europe visa depends on country, but generally 4 weeks to 12 weeks, sometimes longer. Your job, country of residence, embassy appointment, your employer, these all factors decide processing time. Factors: job type, country rules, document accuracy. Benefits of working in Europe. Now the positive side. Europe offers good salary, health insurance, work-life balance, paid holidays, career growth. Many countries also offer PR, permanent residency later. Who is eligible? You can apply if you are skilled worker, technical worker, graduate, experienced worker. High demand jobs: IT, healthcare, construction, manufacturing, hospitality. Admin jobs a little bit hard to get because mostly local fulfill these seats. But this doesn't mean you can't get admin jobs in Europe. You need to apply with right strategy, then you may get admin job in Europe too. Lots of foreigners working in admin department in Europe. Reality check. Let's be honest. Europe is not easy. Competition is high, employers prefer local workers first, visa process is strict. You must be skilled, patient, be realistic. Step-by-step process. Simple steps. 1. Make strong CV. 2. Apply jobs online. 3. Get job offer. 4. Employer applies permit. 5. Apply visa. 6. Attend interview. 7. Get visa. Let's conclude our video. Listen, friends. Europe is not a dream, but it is also not impossible. If you follow fake shortcuts, you will fail. If you follow real process, you can succeed. No IELTS? Possible. No skill? Not possible. No job? Impossible. So start today. Improve your skills. Apply jobs daily. Stay consistent. Your future is not in luck. It is in your preparation. Always verify latest rules from Europe official sites before applying, because rules and regulations can be changed at any time. If you want more real videos like this, subscribe now. Like this video.
Comment Europe if you are serious, and I will bring more informative visa and immigration videos for you. Remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.